Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue to learn our AI tools and now we'll see how we will get a feedback from a AI tool about our presentations, our videos or even from our blog post, whether there is a spelling or grammar mistake. All those feedbacks we'll get from an AI tool. We often create presentations and ask our friends, our professors to review it, give us feedbacks and tell us what are the scopes of improvements, what you should focus and all details. Now the same thing we can do from an AI tool. We'll use Gemini for that and we'll go to AI Studio and use this and get feedback on our videos or our presentations or in our blog post also. We'll learn more about this. I searched for Google AI Studio. Here is the first link. Click that and landed here. Here, instead of chatting, I can continue chatting, but our intention is to share our screen and get the feedback. So I am going to stream now. Here at the top, you can see system instruction. Click that. Here I can give the prompt or the instructions to the model how it should behave. So I want it to check some of my blog post, whatever I have written. So review my blog post for English writing style, tone, consistency, spelling, grammar, punctuation, suggest to improve readability and flow, basic SEO recommendation and tips for make the content more engaging for readers. Now this you can expand it also by adding, suppose you want it's a blog post, it should authoritativeness, author's details, all these things it should check. You keep on expanding. I will tell you at the end how you can improve further these prompts. So with this input, now I have given how the model should check it. Now I will just start my stream here. So I will say share a screen. This is my blog post. Earlier we have discussed more on this particular page. So here you can see the entire blog post is here. So this particular page I want it to check it. So let me just come back here, share screen. Now here it is. Google analyze this. I can, whatever screen I want, I can share it. Now I am giving share. Hi, are you there?
Yes, I can help with that. Please provide the text of your blog post. Once I have it, I'll review it for everything you mentioned, including the writing style, grammar, readability, SEO, and suggestions to make it more engaging.
Okay, I have shared the screen now. You can see, I hope you are able to see the entire blog post.
Yes, I can see the blog post now. I'll go through it section by section to provide the feedback you requested. Please give me a moment to review it.
It took some time to generate the output, but just remember the system instructions or the prompts what you have given, it depends on that. So you can ask more things, it will take a little bit more time and you can include your own specific areas. We'll towards the end also will discuss how these prompts you can further improve.
I'm also looking for relevant keywords that can be optimized further. To make it more engaging, consider adding more visuals or interactive elements, and perhaps including a compelling call to action at the end.
Thank you. I'll back to you.
Let me know if you'd like me to provide specific examples or further assistance.
Okay, just wait, I'll back to you again.
All right, I'll be here when you're ready. Feel free to come back with any other questions or if you need further review.
I removed my previous instruction, now pasting here a fresh instruction. This time we are going for a short video which we wanted to review it and tell us the feedback. Here it is, review my YouTube short script and visual for engagement, clarity and presentation. Suggest improvements to make it more attention grabbing in the first 5 seconds and more effective overall for viewers interested in Python, Colab and other AI or data analysis tools. So I have clearly given what my expected audience and what I expected from me. So expected from the tool to check and tell me the feedbacks. So everything I have given. So now it is ready to watch my. But for that I have to, something went wrong. Okay, let me start again. Hi, are you there? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Can you see the my present face is coming, only my face can you see?
Yes, I can see your face now. For the
Okay.
YouTube shorts, to make it more
Okay, I will just play this particular one. You watch this and let me know at the end what way I can improve it.
sounds good. I'll watch the video and provide suggestions for improvement based on engagement, clarity, and presentation, especially for the first few seconds and overall effectiveness for your target audience.
Okay, it starts now. Is it necessary that we should
Okay,
always chat
I'm
with
watching the
the
video
AI?
now.
No,
I'll
not
provide
necessary.
feedback
We can
after it
talk to
finishes.
AI tool also. So it's inside the AI studio, Gemini. We can talk to Gemini and ask our questions and get the answer. That's all. Have you checked it? Can you suggest me?
Yes, I've reviewed the video. To improve engagement, consider starting with a more dynamic hook, perhaps a quick demonstration or a compelling question about Python Colab and its benefits. Also, try to keep the visuals focused and concise, highlighting key points with clear captions or text overlays. Ensuring the script is tightly organized and delivers value quickly will make it more effective for viewers interested in these topics.
There was a little confusion which screen I said. So now let's move for a presentation, and this presentation will use the first 3 or 4 slides and we'll ask for the feedbacks to our AI tools. Okay, again we'll change the instruction here. I am pasting it here. Okay, review my AI PowerPoint presentation for content clarity and flow, visual design and engagement, slide title, structure, suggestion to simplify or enhance the slides, any missing key points or trends in AI. Also suggest where visuals or examples could improve understanding. So these are the prompts. Anyway, as I told you, prompts you can keep on changing. Now let me share the screen now. So here this time it is a presentation. Here it is, introduction to, I have clicked this. Yeah. Hi, are you there? Hi, are
Hi
you?
there. I can help you with reviewing your PowerPoint presentation. Just go through the slides and I'll provide feedback on the content, visual design, and structure. I can also suggest ways to simplify or enhance the slides and point out any missing key points or trends. Let's start whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'll up to the 4 slides will review. You can I will tell you when I ends it, and after that you can give me your feedback.
Okay, sounds good. I'm ready for the first slide then.
Hi, it is on artificial intelligence. It is like a best guess. So now we'll understand more about that AI tools, and let's see what we can learn from here. This is the second slide. Here we'll learn about AI tools and its uses also. We'll entire presentation will divide in 3 parts. First one, we'll understand the AI, what are the language model is, what is the difference between an algorithm and a model, and in the second part we'll learn more about the tools, and in the third part we'll see the responsible AI deployment, guardrails, bags, and all those things we'll discuss. And let's first understand that should you have to entirely understand the AI, how the background it works to understand it better. Sorry, it's like a Formula One car where we need not understand everything in on the technology or engine power or tire pressure, everything we need not understand, but we must understand certain basic things. What should be my ultimate speed, what should be my fuel capacity, and all those basic basic knowledge will help me to better drive my car. So these are the minimum knowledge a driver must have. We need not understand the fully in detail, but operational knowledge is most important for a AI system. That's all my presentation. Based on these 4 slides, give me the feedbacks, please.
Thank you for going through the slides. Overall, the presentation covers key aspects of AI, from understanding the technology to tools and responsible deployment. The structure is clear, dividing the content into manageable sections. However, you could enhance the presentation by incorporating more visuals or examples on AI tools and responsible deployment to make the concepts even more engaging. Additionally, briefly mentioning some current AI trends like advancements in natural language processing or autonomous systems.
It gave me lot of instructions, so how to improve it, and mostly it depends on what prompt I am using. So there is it is always based on your requirement, your change in requirement. Also keep changing your prompts, keep a backup prompt with you, so you need not have to work right from the beginning. So let's just see how you can improve our prompts. I am back to chat gpt again. So improve this prompt, sorry, prompt for me to check better engagement, sorry, better engagement in my presentation. Now I will paste the prompt what I have used it. Now I am expect that ChatGPT will review it and give me a better prompt. Now I may not be using exactly as it is. Further I will work it based on my areas I want to focus and further improve this. That's all, friends. Hope you have enjoyed this and you can further improve it by using these tools in your different areas also. So not only that for presentations, many other areas you can experiment with this, ask, take the feedback. Now we have a friend who gives us a any topic, it gives us a very good feedback which you can use it to improve ourselves. Now let me know if you have any such ideas in the comment section below, what you are planning to use it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends and thank you for watching.